So please close your eyes, smile, relax, disconnect from the world around you. Let's begin. Effortless. 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 This year, I promise to make my life effortless, magical, free-flowing. To make my life effortless this year, I will stay away from struggle. Struggle only happens when I am against the flow of life. When I am with the flow of life, it is effortless. I want you to imagine that you are sitting on a boat. Please imagine you're sitting on a boat. Hold your hands like you are holding that chappu, the chappu with which you row the boat. Please think you're holding a chappu in your hand and you're rowing your boat. You are in a very, very, very small boat, and you're rowing your boat. And now start moving your hands left to right, left to right, left to right, rowing your boat. And as you are rowing your boat, very unexpectedly, there is a rock in your way. There is a big rock in your way. Now what you think and what you need to say is, no struggling, no asking why the rock is here, no hating the rock. Real struggle is not the rock. Real struggle is how you feel about the rock. Let us go on with the rock, and if the rock changes my plan, changes my direction, let us move effortlessly, and see what happens. So keep rowing. The real struggle is not the rock. Real struggle is how I feel about the rock. Just let us go with the rock. And if the rock changes my plan, changes my direction, let us move effortlessly and see what happens. So keep rowing your boat, and let us see what direction life takes you. Suddenly, when you were expecting life to go super fast, you suddenly see there is a lake in front of you. And now nothing is moving. Now, even though you are rowing very fast, but nothing is moving, it is peaceful. You start thinking, why is my life not moving? Why am I not getting results? Why is it not going fast? The struggle is not the speed. It is how you feel about the speed. So if it is slow now, I will continue what I can do, which is rowing my boat effortlessly. And just when you are just about to getting used to this calm energy, suddenly there is a river with full speed. Imagine your hands are now moving very fast because the boat is now going from left to right, right to left, and the water is coming from all directions. Sometimes there is a fear that the boat is going upside down. In fact, the boat has just gone upside down. You fall inside the river, but you are holding on to the boat. Smile and say, time for double happiness. Let us enjoy this. No struggling, no asking, why did I fall? Let us enjoy this. Pick up your boat, use your effort less. Get it straight again and start rowing again. And start having fun again. And start rowing your boat again. Start living your life again. And 100 years from now, Imagine there is an end of this river. This is called the end of life. There is a new life after that, which we don't know about. What the new life will be. Now imagine floating from the river into the sky. Now you don't need to row. The universe is rowing your boat, taking you to a different life. 100 years from now, effortless, effortless, effortless. Now, open your eyes and say, I choose to live my life effortlessly. The real struggle is not what is happening. It is how I feel about what is happening. No more struggling this year. What is happening, let it happen. If I can change the direction, I will. If I can't change the direction, I will keep moving. I will keep rowing. How? Effortlessly. If sometimes it slows down, what do? Keep rowing. If suddenly it goes too fast, what do? Keep rowing. If it goes upside down, what do? Time for double happiness. Get back and start rowing. How many of you would want to live your life like this?